Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to watch. So we have an unboxing here. This was offered to me in one of the auctions that were on my watch list on Trade Me. It's one of our local website in which we can buy and bid online on different things, antiques, militaria, uh, books or whatever, even cars and real estate. So we can lease and sell there, and people can bid and buy. So it's one of them, and we'll open it up. As I like old things, so I always look for antiques or memorabilia, well, especially coins and stamps. And this one is I think I need the proper tool to open it up. Well, you can see already what's inside. It's a Bible. I'll just get something to open it up. Here we go, a very old Bible. I see it's missing the lock, but of course it's a very old one. It's from 18. Uh, Here we go. It's very fragile. See, it's material is very thin. But just to show you as well, it is from 1856. So it is a very old Bible from 1856. Old one. See, it's a small one too. See the binding, it's I think it's leather. Teba, what do you call that? Clasp or something. I think it's brass. Very old one. See here, Holy Bible, Old and New Testament, printed by authority from Edinburgh, printed for Cowan and Company. In 17 Prince Street in Edinburgh, 1856. Old and New Testament. See here is license. For printers for Scotland, and instructions issued by Her Majesty in so the license is July 1839. It's a license to print or authorize. James Cowan Stationer. Stationer, yes, Edinburgh, to print within the premises situated in Paul's Printer. Paul's work. So this is a very old copy of the Bible. I think it's very fragile. it's a bit thin, and you can see it's I don't know if it's a mold or something. So here you go, very old Bible. Very nice, small, very old. I hope you like this old Bible that I present with you. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.